She hums through smoke, the air is thick, her pulse is low. Her voice drips slow like honey slick. Stand-up bass echoes below. A piano sighs in haunting tone. The night's alive, but she's alone. Walking dreams where shadows lie. Through a maze of mirrors, the answers die. Passion whispered secrets unseen. A voice so rich it splits the dream. A leopard dress and eyes that gleam. Piano rises softly. She vapes the air, her lips breathe steam. Bass strings groan as the rhythm sways. Her voice soars high in timeless haze. The passion sparks like a ghost in the air. A flicker of sound, neither here nor there. The bass and keys in solemn reply, while the shadows move where echoes die. Walking dreams where shadows lie. Through a maze of mirrors, the answers die. Passion whispers secrets unseen. A voice so rich it splits the dream. She speaks of rivers flowing backward in time, of clocks that stop for no reason or rhyme. The crowd leans in, but she doesn't care. Her voice fills the room like electric prayer. She fades into mist, her song still lingers. Passion's pulses fade. A ghostly caress through smoky fingers. Piano whispers its final refrain. In the heart of the night she remains. Intuition whispers liquid words.